absolutely right. With this strap, Jeff,
Yep.
I didn't even really beat that down hard.
Solid as a rock.
Coming away from the tree.
So that was Scotty installing a Predator platform. It's the first time we've ever used it. We just came in the mail yesterday. So first experience with it. Just so you can kind of see where he's at. He didn't go up there with a cut saw or anything. We were just kind of fooling around here, practicing.
On it, man.
Good side pressure, right?
Yeah, I could have made it a little bit tighter, but it's perfect, man. Nice.
How much more room in how much bigger of a tree could you get on with that strap?
Well, let's say this is, I want to say this is 12, up here is a 12-inch diameter. From the looks with that strap, 18 to 20-inch diameter. Possibly, yeah.
Pretty good sized tree.
Yeah, definitely. I could bring this platform up a little more too, to dial it in a little better.
One of the things you notice, if you notice how Scotty just rappelled a little bit down, got it into position so he can adjust it. You could use this DRT climbing for even just setting your tree stands. You know, let's say you're hunting a place that's got public land and you don't want to put tree steps into a tree. You could use DRT. Get up into your tree, not even use any climbing steps. Leave your lock-on stand up there. Now nobody can really get up to it to steal it because there's no steps in it. They'd have to come back with climbing sticks or something like that to get to it. You know, probably the majority of people wouldn't bother doing that. So.
Now, if I was a right-handed bow hunter, there's
Yeah.
that trail right there, man.
Yeah, perfect.
Right in there perfectly.
And how many feet are you there? Probably 22, 20?
Somewhere in that vicinity, I would say, yeah.
Yeah.
But, you know, the right, and then I got to be a left-handed bow hunter. Like this.
Yep.
And that's the beauty. I always make that comment in DRT. My pivot's 10 feet above me.
Yep.
You know, and that's, you know, I mean, I could cover 180 degrees.
It's probably hard for you to hear him, but what he's saying is that his tie-in point using DRT is up higher into the tree. Let me see if I can focus in on that. You can see where his...
I'm going to say my first impression of the Predator platform got my vote.
Yep. Scott just said his first impression of the Predator platform is he's got his vote, so kind of knew that. You know, that Predator platform's really nice.